So hello people, this is Moscarblog and we are currently in front of the BMW XM to take it on for a night drive. Just check out this amazing illuminated grille. So join me on the inside of this massive SUV and let's start driving it. So people, let's start off the night drive with the BMW XM. So people, what's beautiful about the BMW XM is that you can drive it in the hybrid mode completely silent. And what's also really amazing about the XM is that if you close all the windows, you don't hear anything from the outside. This is like 7 Series luxury level or even more. You don't hear anything from the outside world and you are just in your XM by yourself. And especially if you got the Bowers and Wilkins audio running, you don't hear anything. It's absolutely amazing, this car. Look at it, I'm currently driving completely electric. The XM at night is like a spaceship. I mean, just look at the roof of the XM. It's absolutely insane. This car, the level of luxury and I, I didn't expect it to be this great, the XM. Honestly, to be completely honest with you, I didn't expect the car to perform that well for that weight and to be this luxurious. The only thing this has is that it's a little bit stiff, but that also may be because of the 23-inch wheels. But other than that, it's just such an amazing car to drive and such a luxurious vehicle. Just look at it here at night. We can also change the ambient color, which I'm gonna do right now. So if we go to the iDrive 8 menu here, and then we swipe down, we have the interior lighting. And then we go to the ambient lighting, and then we can change our color, for example, to, let's just make papaya here. Yeah, just look at it now, it's orange and the roof is also orange. You have a couple of beautiful options. Rosé, which is like a light with like rosé, as stated, it's rosé. And then we have colors like the azure, which is like a tortoise, which is also pretty cool at night, especially with the roof. So there's a lot of options, a lot of beautiful colors, and all line up amazingly with that roof, which is, it's just such a standalone feature of this car at night. Let's go into the setup, put it into the Sport Plus, and then, as you've heard, the engine is instantly on. And now the red line is at 3000 RPM. This is because the engine is completely cold and the XM is preventing you from destroying your engine like other hybrids allow you to do. The XM is preventing you from destroying your engine. You can only rev it to 3000 RPM, as you can see here, which is actually pretty nice. I really like that. And now, since the engine is getting warmer, we can rev it up more. Now I have 6000 RPMs. And it's just a great feature of the BMW XM, if I'm completely honest. Of any BMW M car, all of the M cars have that feature with the red line. So as I've said in my review with the M Hybrid button here, which is brand new for the XM since it's the first BMW M Hybrid, we have the option of making it either completely electric, charge or battery, or put it in hybrid and then the car decides itself which one to go for. And I really like that in the menu here we have the M colors, the blue, blue and red. I really like that feature. It's a lot of love for detail in this car. For example, like the tire pressure menu being the M1, or the back window having the M1 logos and stuff like that. There's a lot of love for detail in this car and I really like it. Now we have even golden color here, which is more like yellow, more like a citrus color, if I'm completely honest. It's not really golden. Let's open up the window here a little bit. Some little burbles from the back. And as you can see, the XM is also not a slow car. It's really fast and it seriously goes, especially for the weight and for the size this thing has. You will be surprised how well this thing accelerates and performs. But as you see, it's a little bit stiff. It's a little bit firm, the XM, but it's a really beautiful car to drive in a luxury way or in a sporty way. And the gear shifts are super aggressive. Some nice bangs, or burbles, I think. You should call them burbles rather than bangs. So people, let's end this video off by doing a launch control with the BMW XM. I hope you enjoyed this night drive, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye. Oh! Oh!